Hi viewers, this is Vetrivel. Today we can discuss about how to update the case description field in case entity using plugin. By default, whenever the incoming mail landing in CRM, we cannot able to view the case description. So we are going to resolve this issue using plugin. Go to advanced settings, click service management. After that, automatic record creation and update rule. Click the default rule and deactivate. So I have created one rule, case creation. Whenever the email arrive from CRM, the email is converted as a cases. In the cases, I have mentioned as create case. You can see here the description section I have mentioned as a email description. So the email body having the case description, that description here displaying as a HTML format. So this is the issue. So this issue we are going to resolve using the plugins. You can see here this is a plugin which I have taken from the online. So using this plugin we are going to update the case description field in case entity. So creating the plugin you need the .NET framework and you need to plugin registration tool. So now I am going to show you how to register this plugin in your instance. So just right click the project, create one assembly. So I have already created HTML, convert the HTML to text PFX file. If you don't have any assembly, you can create new one. So close this one. So you can build the project. So I have mentioned the code and the plugin registration tool link in my description section. You can please check out that one. The build is succeed. So we are going to copy the DLL file from the location. Just to copy the location and log in your plugin registration tool using your Office 365 account. So now we are going to register this assembly. Paste the path and click the registration. Now one assembly was registered. Click OK. So this is the assembly. So now we are going to create one step. So click and create new steps. Message is create. Primary entity is incident. Choose the pre-operation and register the new step. So now we have registered the plugin in our instance. So now we are going to test our case description field in our instance. So I am going to send one mail to my queue. My queue mail ID is support desk. I'm going to send the mail. test mail for the case description. I'm going to send in. I'm going to send the mail. So now we are going to check the email is received or not. My automatic creation and update rule is active. So now I am going to click the cases, refresh the page. Click on case. Now you can see here I have received the auto response mail. So now we are going to check that this is the mail I have sent to the support queue. So I am going to opening this mail. Scroll down. So you can see here the description field is updated. The before it is the HTML format. Now after register the plugin, we can able to see the description field. Thanks for watching.